The tire puncture repair kit is a great feature that can be found on select models across the Toyota lineup. And while some details may vary from one vehicle to the next, the general process and convenience is the same on all models. This equipment offers a number of advantages over a traditional spare tire system. For starters, its compact design often translates to a bit more cargo room in the back, but it's also simply a significantly easier tool to use, with no need to dig around for your wheel lock key, jack up the vehicle, roll around a heavy spare tire, or really get your hands dirty at all. The tire puncture repair kit consists of two main components, an air compressor and a single-use bottle of sealant. When connected to the tire with the included hose, the compressor will force air into the tire, pulling sealant in from the bottle along the way. This sealant is designed to coat the inside of the tire, temporarily repairing small punctures as it does so. And as an added benefit, the compressor can even be used on its own without the sealant to adjust tire pressure. Now let's learn how to use it in the event of a flat tire. First and foremost, park in a safe location and assess the damage to the tire. If the puncture is large or located on the sidewall, you'll need to call roadside assistance instead. But if the puncture diameter is approximately 4 millimeters or less, the size of a typical screw or nail, and is located in the tread area, it's appropriate to proceed with the tire repair kit. To begin, pull the repair kit out of the cargo area wall by removing the cover and detaching the straps that secure it. Ensure that the sealant has not expired. Remove the valve cap from the tire. Now extend the hose from the repair kit and then remove the air release cap from the end of that as well. Connect the hose to the tire valve stem by screwing it on clockwise until snug. Verify that the compressor switch is turned off, and then lift the rubber stopper to reveal the bottle connector area. Now take the power plug from the compressor and connect it to the nearest 12-volt power outlet within the vehicle. Attach the sealant bottle to the compressor. Make sure it's connected securely by pressing firmly until the locking tabs click into place. At this point, take the provided sticker and place it in clear view of the driver, on the pillar between the windshield and side window. Next, make a note of the specified tire pressure on the label attached to the driver's door frame. At this point, you're ready to begin. So start the vehicle to power the compressor, and then switch the compressor on. The air and sealant mixture will begin flowing into the tire, so monitor the pressure gauge carefully. For the first few minutes, there will be an initial spike in pressure as the sealant is deployed, before the needle settles back to the true reading and begins increasing gradually. When the reading reaches the recommended tire pressure for your vehicle as noted earlier, switch off the compressor. Do not overinflate. Disconnect the hose from the tire and the power plug from the socket. Place the end caps back on the tire valve stem and compressor hose. Place the repair kit in the cargo area. Don't put it back away yet, as you'll need it again shortly. Immediately begin driving for about 3 miles. Do not exceed 50 miles per hour. This step is critical in spreading the sealant throughout the tire. Now stop in a safe location and reconnect the compressor as before. Run the compressor for several seconds, then switch it back off and check the gauge to determine if the tire maintained the recommended pressure. If the gauge reads 19 psi or less, the tire is too damaged to repair. Otherwise, use the compressor again if further adjustment is needed, and disconnect the repair kit once the recommended tire pressure is set. Ensure the valve cap and air release cap are both reattached securely, then store the equipment in its original compartment. Drive carefully to the nearest Toyota dealer or tire repair center. Do not exceed 50 miles per hour and do not drive farther than 62 miles. The low tire pressure indicator may remain active on your instrument panel until the sensor is replaced. This is normal. Once there, notify your service advisor that you've used your tire repair kit. Your tire may still need to be replaced, and you will need a new bottle of sealant and sensor for the tire pressure monitoring system. And that's all there is to fixing a flat tire with a tire puncture repair kit. Please refer to your owner's manual for detailed information for your specific vehicle.